Here is the Fujifilm Super 145 AZ overall conditions. Okay, here's the battery compartment. Using one CR123 battery to operate. Okay. After that, by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this. And here is the film. About the film, we need to push into this compartment. Okay, make sure it's fully up. If not, you cannot close the film cover here. Then the film tip you point here will do. Okay, so it's like this, and you can see here got an indicator. Actually, you just pull until this indicator way, then you just close it, and it will auto load. It will load to the max first. Okay. Because I have used this film many times, so yeah, it's like this, left a little bit only. Okay, click this button to power it, and here's the zoom. Okay, here's the viewfinder. We'll look into the viewfinder. You'll find out at the center point there, you got a bracket, so you just use that bracket to aim whatever you want to focus and half press the shutter. Okay, like this. If it doesn't blink, means that it's okay to shoot. Then just click it. Okay, like that. Then we move to the next frame. It will turn according to the environment to see whether it want trigger flash or not. Yeah, or you can adjust by yourself. This one is red eye reduction, force flash, off the flash. Okay, try it. If off flash, it will be like how? It will be slow shutter speed, so it's better that you hold it properly or you let it fully auto will do. Yeah, to prevent the outcome blur or something like here. This one is landscape. Landscape is like it auto focus to infinity. Okay. This one is like night mode lah. Okay. So it will like a slower shutter speed or something. Like that means that it's fully auto. Okay. Then here is a timer. By also same, aim to the object that you want to focus, half press it. You have a red light up, means that it start counting already. It took around 10 seconds at that. Okay. Then actually the basic is like this lah. Okay, this one is remote, but it doesn't come with it, so we just ignore it. Then this one is the date. You click it, then you can adjust it lah. You click for a while until it blink. Okay, then you click the timer to adjust it. This one is the year format lah. If I'm not wrong, yeah, until 2025 also. Okay, click again the date, and this one is the month. Click again, this one is the date. Today is 16. Okay, then this one is the time. Just click it. Okay, then a minute. You can adjust by yourself also lah. Just now I set for you, so you can no need to set anymore. Yep. Okay, like this is complete. Click again, yeah, then it won't blink anymore. So this is like different format lah. So if you want it print like that at the back, then you just remain it. If you don't want, you can switch the format by yourself. This one is the month, date, year. This one is the date, month, year. Okay, again, this one is the time. If you don't want, put that this will do. Yeah, and when you should finish, it will auto rewind, so no worry in using. And when you close it, yeah, it's slightly like that lah, but actually it's like doesn't matter lah. You just use your hand, touch it will do, and you open it fully function. So yeah, just ignore it will do. And when you should finish, it will auto rewind, so no worry in using. And hope you enjoy it.